here's B. I got a 500 kilohertz waveform. And here I'm going to switch over to A. Now I was asked if this problem existed. See, it clears up sometimes. Just have to make it darker there. The problem appears in XY, so I'll put an XY. I know it does not. I've left it in XY. This is A. That's B because the calibration is a little off. But XY doesn't cause any problem. Here is a really slow sweep, and even as it messes up, you'll notice that the trigger light does not go out. So triggering, maybe a little flutter for me shaking the camera, but I can assure you that the trigger is not budging. And I'll speed it up just a little bit. Switch it over to B. We'll just move that out there. There we go. That's what I'm dealing with. So XY, solid and steady, trigger on, slow sweep, just all over the place.